and it's happening. It's getting really. Oh no! Oh no! 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 It's smoking! It's smoking! Oh no! Oh no! And we each had a rope to tie to our sled we could bring it up the hill. Now his was really short, mine was really long. And I kind of felt bad for him, so I said, here's what I'm going to do, buddy. I'm going to use a little bit of magic, and we're going to see if we can actually make both ropes the same size. Watch this. So I took his, I took mine. Both. Now the same size. Isn't that crazy? Yeah. So then I decided, you know what? We need to make a really long one. A really long, we don't even need, let's see here. Let me see here. So we can take both of these now and tie them into a knot. And we have both of them together in one long piece of rope, okay? But I don't like that knot there. So I told my friend we're going to get rid of that knot. So then we have one really long piece of rope just like that. Yeah. So my friend had an idea. He had a dog. He said maybe we can get my dog to bring our sled up the hill for us. So he took one part of the rope and he turned it into a dog collar. And I said, no, we don't want to make your dog bring the sled up. That's too much work. But I thought what we do instead is that we take the dog collar, put it back on the rope, and then bump that in, and he tracks snow on the ground. What you can do to help your grown-ups at home, you can help them clean it up. And for that, you're going to need one of these. You're going to need a mop. Just like that. How about that, everybody? Yep. Once you have your mop, you can mop up any water that you spilled, and you can help your grown-ups. It is Frosty, but I can't call him that because of a copyright infringement, so he's just going to be Mr. Snowman, okay? So here we go. So Mr. Snowman has a black hat, and he's got a carrot for a nose. Isn't he cute? But here's the thing. Whenever I bring out my picture of Mr. Snowman, people always try fooling me. They try telling me weird things like, oh, I don't know, like his eyes move or something like that. I can't actually. Well, no, they didn't. Wait a minute. Some people, they try telling me they can see